I'll keep it and you didn't get number 2. Okay. So I'm interested in number 3 because it has 3 plus 7j all divided by negative j. Right? So simplifying the following complex number, we need to inspect. So some of you can want to try and split the numerator into the numerator terms and have 3 over minus j and then plus 7j over minus j. Can still work, but when 3 it will have a j, you need to do the rationalizing there. So, but yeah, let us multiply by conjugate of negative j. What is conjugate of negative j? It is positive j. Remember, the real part is 0. The imaginary part was negative j. So the conjugate of that in that case, or let's start with this. You will see that you'll have negative j. Real part is 0. The imaginary part is negative j. So conjugate of that will be 0, positive j. So hence here we divide by multiply by j over j, which is still 1. Therefore, the expression of the solution will be equals to, therefore, 3 times j, 3j, then j squared, j times j, j squared, therefore, times 7 will be negative 7. Then all divided by j times j, j squared, which is minus 1 times the negative there, will be positive 1. Therefore, the answer will be equals to, when you rearrange and solve it, it will be minus 7 plus 3j. Easy peasy, just like that.